To the generations of creators, the ones who believe in the power of originality, the ones who stare uncertainty in the face and move past the doubts, the fears, to find rejuvenation, hope. To us, this is everything. The relentless pursuit of discovering, unleashing ideas. Art. It's in our blood. It runs through us. It never stops. It's exploring, making it again, and then turning it upside down to create something stronger, something bigger, something different. The future is in our hands. We pave the way for those after us to be unique, inspiring, real, courageous. To make a difference by standing out, united by a love of individuality and expression. We are creators. And together, we shape the world.